seed when I was a kid, slanging dope, popping shrooms, and dropping lots of sin. Psychedelic visions would ensue my view, feeling the altered states as they altered my fate. But I sorted through all that distorted shit, bought it up. I came short and couldn't afford to store it up, so I began to record it on audio. The autobiography of Luis Mario. Something that's unbelievable, inconceivable. The half the shit I set out to do was achievable, but alas, look at all the shit come to pass. Well, we remain strong, others broke like glass. Cause you lack style, and you need all the help, brother, cause you're fragile. And it should say it on your cover. Just sign up for the celebrity who lacks intelligence, integrity, intensity. Oh, it's true, I got you in an angle like Kurt, but don't go getting your fucking feelings hurt. I spit many bars of heat that burn like a furnace. I pour rhymes out like coffee spilling out your